Now, arrays are kind of unusual and they're a bit tricky to work with, especially at first. But the payoff is great. If you can get comfortable with arrays, you're going to find a lot of doors opening when it comes to programming. So here's a few things you can do to play around with the functions that we worked with in these last sections and just get a little bit more practice working with them. So first of all, see if you can figure out how to sort an array in reverse order. So we use the function asort in order to sort by value ascending, and the function ksort in order to sort by key ascending. See if you can sort by the value, but in reverse order instead. Next, find out what functions that we used on arrays will also work on the types of objects that we used in these last videos as well. Next, this is kind of a tricky one. Take our multi-dimensional array example and use array pop to get the youngest person and then print their favorite band to the browser. Finally, create a string that prints to the browser screen that uses a randomly generated name from the array that we were working with. So for example, it might say, "Hello Deepak, how are you?" or "Hello Sally, how are you?" And when you're ready, go ahead and move on to the next set of videos.